BOA 140. This is for the evening BOA. You guys are entering into Module 140. Welcome to my new students. My name is Miss Carol Peugeot, Carol Biggs Peugeot, but everybody calls me Miss Carol because I've got a lot of names and just make it easier, Miss Carol. So, today I want to show you how to post attendance at the beginning of the week. So they're going to do this every week at the very first day of the week, which for us right now is Tuesday. Tuesday today is the first day of the week. Our week will end on Monday. So I'm going to show you on the phone how to pull up a document, how to go into the SurveyMonkey and post a question, and also I'm going to show you how to do it on the web, on the laptop or computer through the internet. Okay? So let's get to the phone. Okay, so here we are at the phone, and you want to go to your internet browser, and you go into your internet browser and type in carolsclass.com. It's carolsclass.com. You'll see a link to that in the email that I sent out today. So we're going to go ahead and go to it, and you should see a screen that looks like this. And so you want to go to BOA Evening. This is where your class will be, Mod 140. So we're going to go ahead and tap on that, and it takes us to Mod 140. Now, this is the link to SurveyMonkey, so I have that here anytime you need to go into SurveyMonkey, but we'll do that in just a few minutes. So if you scroll down, under week 1, you have your calendar and syllabus, same things that I sent you earlier. And then go down to where it says week 1 documents. You have your BOA 140 week 1 objectives and questions, and then your Mod 140 week 1 terminology. So let's go to this one. I'm going to open this document up, week 1 objectives and questions. And I'm going to go ahead and open that up, and it looks like this. I'm going to make it a little bit bigger. You can see my name is at the top, Miss Carol Biggs Peugeot, but you can call me Miss Carol. Your class is from 5:30 to 10:30, Monday through Thursday, the BOA, and then my phone number is right here. I put my phone number on every email, so please put that phone number in your contacts so that when I call, you'll know who I am and that you'll be able to call me. And then, of course, my email is right there as well. Okay, so the very first thing you're going to see are the weekly objectives. These are the things that we're going to go over and talk about throughout the week. So we should be discussing these things. But underneath that, you'll see a link. And that's the link to the SurveyMonkey. And then down below that, under this blue bar right here, you'll see assignments and questions. Under assignment, it has your reading assignment, which is your marketing textbook. And I'm going to go over here to pull up the textbook. So you should have an electronic version of this marketing textbook. It's the 14th edition by Karen Ann Hartley. So hopefully that is on your Kindle. If it doesn't show up on your Kindle by tonight, by the end of tonight, let me know or call the business office at UEI. Let them know. If you can't get a hold of the business office, let me know, and I'll shoot them an email. But make sure you tell me specifically your name and what the problem is. Okay, so assignment, you want to read chapters 1 through 4. And then next to that, over on the right, are 10 questions. Now, these questions can be found in the textbook I just showed you, chapters 1 through 4. So they're pretty much in order. So in other words, first question most likely is going to be found in chapter 1. Chapter number 2 and 3, I think 1, 2, and 3 are found in chapter 1. 4, 5, 6, chapter, so on and so forth. I don't have that specifically broken down, but it's pretty much in order. And also, I'm going to create a video where I'm going to go over these questions with you. So watch for that. That will be posted on the website, carolsclass.com. Okay, so now that I've shown you this, again, that's the link for the SurveyMonkey, so you could go in there from your phone, okay? but I'm going to show you how to do it from the laptop or the computer. So I'm going to put the phone down now and go to the laptop. Okay, so I went to the computer and I pulled up this document. And again, this document was sent to you through the email, or you could also find it on the website, carolsclass.com. So it's found both places. Make sure it says weekly objectives and assignment questions, Mod 140, Marketing Week 1. That's what it should say. And again, it goes over the weekly objectives, and then here are our questions. So scroll down, and there are our questions right here. Okay. So first thing I'm going to do, though, is I'm going to show you how to post attendance. And this is something we're going to do at the beginning of every week to make sure that we post attendance. So I want you to click on the link. So here is the SurveyMonkey link that takes you to the right spot. If you want to go into that link through the document, make sure you click on Control and then click the link. Or you could copy and paste it and put it into a browser. Either way. The easier way for me to just hit Control and then hit the link. Okay, so you should get a screen that looks like this. The first thing it's going to have you do is put in your student ID number. You should have been given that in your admissions papers. If you don't have your student ID number, text me and let me know. I'll make sure I give it to you. Your full name, make sure you put your first and your last name. And then here, you want to select your campus. So your campus is going to be UEI College, Riverside. And then you're going to scroll down. And then here you're going to answer this question. Before answering your weekly questions, did you watch the video links provided by your instructor? Well, you're watching this one. So you can say, yes. Okay? So I'm going to go ahead and put in a name, and when we come back, we'll be on the other page. So I'll be right back on the next page. Okay, so then this is going to be the page you're going to come to next. It says Weekly Exercise Quiz, and it's got room for 10 questions. So it goes all the way down to 10. But I'm going to have you only do one question. So go over here to question number 1. And then here I'm going to have you type in, what module are we in? Type in that question. What module are we in? And then the answer, you are in mod. You can say mod or module, doesn't matter. 140. And you could even say, if you like, marketing. You don't necessarily have to put that, but mod 140, module 140, module 140, marketing. Either way. Then I want you to go all the way. Again, we're only doing one question on this page. I'm going to scroll all the way down. All the way where it says done. And we're going to click on done. And then another page is going to pop up. This is important because a lot of people forget to do this. Make sure you click done again. And then it will come up with an advertisement. Once you've done that, and it has done that, then you know that you've completed it. And then you go ahead and exit out of there. Okay? So when you do your SurveyMonkey questions, again, we'll go back over here. When you do your SurveyMonkey questions, you do it the same way. You type in your question over by the question and then put in the answer. You don't have to do all 10 at one sitting. You could do a couple of them a day. In fact, I would recommend that. Do 2 to 3 a day. And then type them in and make sure you click on done once, done a second time. Now, I'm going to create videos where I'm going to go over these questions with you. I'm going to show you where you can find it, and I'm going to talk a little bit about it. I'm going to give you a little bit more background and some information on it. So, if you want to wait for those videos, you can, but you can start it on your own as well. So either way, work on the video, work on the questions, submit it through SurveyMonkey, just the way we did with that first questions. But make sure you do that first question today so that you get attendance for this week. Okay? All right, so my name is again Mrs. Carol Peugeot. Welcome to the class, and I'll see you in my next video.